morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hey, isn't that the new student? Yeah, I think so. You look shy. Yeah. Good morning, class. Before we start, I want to remind everyone that our school believes in inclusion. That means everyone, no matter who they are or what their ability is, deserves to learn, play, and belong here. Alright, class, for our activity today, I want you to form a small group for a project about kindness and respect. You said let's be roommates! Yay! But what about him? You're welcome to join us. But how can you help us? Well, we can make it work. Can you help us design the poster?
Sure. I can draw using my tablet.
Wow, that's amazing! I didn't know you could do that. Yes, you're right. That's nice. Ah, no.
Thanks. Everyone is their own way of creating.
Okay, I assume that you are done with your campaign poster, and I want you to present this in front. Okay, good. All go well. Please start.
So good morning, ma'am. We are going to present our campaign poster entitled We All Belong.
Our poster shows that everyone, including people with disabilities, should feel accepted and respected.
Inclusion means being part of something, not being left behind. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good job, everyone. What a beautiful message. Remember, inclusion is more than a rule. It's something we live every day. Now give yourself a round of applause.
Inclusion means treating everyone fairly.
It means helping classmates who need support. It means learning and growing together.
I'm happy when people see me what I can do, not what I can't do.
Every student belongs because every student